In today's video, I am going to teach you how to schedule posts on a Facebook business page. To begin, make sure you are already logged into your Facebook account. Then open facebook.com in your browser and switch over to your Facebook business page. This is important because post scheduling needs to be done from the business page itself, not from your personal profile. Once you are on your business page, look for the field that says "What is on your mind?" Click on that area to start creating a new post. This will open the Create Post window, where you can build the content you want to publish later. Now enter the content for your post. You can type your message, and if needed, you can also add photos, videos, or links. Take a moment to make sure everything looks the way you want before moving forward. This is the version of the post that will go live at the scheduled time, so it is a good idea to review it carefully. After you finish creating the post, click Next. This will take you to the post settings, where you can choose how and when the post should be published. In this section, look for Scheduling Options and click on it. You will now see the scheduling tools. Select the date and time when you want the post to be published. Choose the exact day and time that fits your posting plan. Make sure the time is correct before confirming, especially if you are managing content for a specific audience or time zone. Once you have selected the date and time, click Schedule for later. This confirms that you want Facebook to publish the post automatically at the time you selected, instead of posting it immediately. Next, click Schedule to save the scheduled post. Facebook will now place the post into your scheduled content list, and it will remain there until the publishing time arrives. To make sure everything was set correctly, verify that your post has been added to your scheduled posts. This final check helps confirm that the post is ready and queued for publishing.
That is the full process for scheduling a post on a Facebook business page.
It is a simple way to plan your content ahead of time and stay consistent with your posting schedule. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.